Paano ako nanalo ng six-figure pot money?
By using this simple life hack.
Context, I joined the Elite Mastermind Cruise by Fibo Lim noong January 12 to 15. So, sa last day namin, naglaro kami ng game. One rule, eliminate 5 until 2 na lang ang natitira. Every round, may isang binoboto na mai-eliminate based on gut, intuition, and how well you can read people. No clues, no logic. And somehow, I made it to the final 2. Plot twist, the person I was up against, the person holding the winner card ng previous round. So, ibig sabihin, na-deceive niya lahat. Magaling siya sa mind game. Before the round started, nag-jack and poy muna kami. I lost, so she stayed in the room, picked her card first. Lahat alam kung ano yung nasa card niya except me. Nung pagbalik ko, I had one decision, to steal her card or not steal.
Joanna chose that. So this is yours. Okay, so you're not allowed to open. Pag sinabi mong steal, magsaswap kayo. Pag sinabi mong no steal, you're gonna keep. The person who has the winner, okay, keeps the entire pot money. Clara will decide if steal or no steal. Oh, Clara can ask questions. Clara will ask questions.
Nasa iyo ba yung winner card?
Pwede ko sagutin.
And here's the truth. All throughout the game, I wasn't attached to the money. I wasn't playing to win the pot. I was playing to test my faith. Because this game mirrored my life.
No steal.
Bakit no steal?
Intuition.
Wait, how are you feeling right now?
Relax lang.
Relax lang.
No steal. Kasi you have control eh.
So, for years now, I've been consistent with prayer and meditation.
Ang pagulo, pagulo.
No steal.
And yung practice na to, na-train ako to trust, to listen, to move with clarity instead of fear. Prayer is talking to God, and meditation is listening to God.
No steal.
Sure na ba talaga yan?
Yes.
And pag pinapractice mo both, you become more intuitive, more grounded, and more decisive. So, nung moment na yun, I relaxed my nervous system, nagtiwala ako kay God, not the outcome, but the guidance.
Sa akin na to, bahala ka. Diba sabi mo, you don't need the money, you just need the win? Okay.
Bigyan ko sila token.
And that's what the last quarter of 2025 taught me until now, that when you stop forcing, when you stop chasing, and you choose stillness, panalo ka na.
Out of ilan ba tayo? Basta marami, ikaw yung nanalo. Just imagine, game 1, game 2, game 3, game 4, game 5. Oh, what does this say about you?
Kanina when I was able to enter this round, ano lang,
Pakita mo yung
di ba we do have? So, in-internalize ko muna yung being na relax lang, nasa relax state ako. Tapos, wala, nagtithank you na ako kay God sa opportunity na to. Tapos, very symbolic kasi ito sa akin. So, again, test of faith siya. Na parang, si God talaga yung mag-guide sa akin. Every step, every intuition sa game na to. Corny siguro para sa niya, pero talagang medyo profound yung symbol niya sa akin today.
You became the person who knows how to listen. So, ang wellness tip ko para sa'yo ngayon, allocate time for prayer and meditation dahil dalawa sila sa pinaka-powerful na tools you will ever have in life, lalo na sa decision making. And sa mga sunod ko pang video, I'll be sharing practical tips on stillness, meditation, and learning how to hear God more clearly. Follow for more.